I'm Cameron and I'm here to show you the simplicity of QC Mobile. QC Mobile allows anybody to be able to view data directly from the shop floor. On the screen you can see I've got various dials and indicators showing me my current processes which are running on the shop floor. As well as that, I can see a history of all the reports which have been generated. This allows top-end users such as senior management team to be able to review data extremely easily without having to go down to the shop floor. With items such as the Live Data tab, it allows you to load into live data, search for your part file, and even give the opportunity to search by things such as batch number or serial number. On the screen you can see I'm now going to search by an operator. As soon as I press generate, it's then going to show me all of the information about that part number from that operator. The same theory can be applied for batch numbers, serial numbers, or whatever processes you currently use. As well as that, you can get extremely easy SPC information. So from the same file, with the same filter, I can look at that same data, but this time I'm looking at the CPK values of my entire process. Information which used to take weeks to be able to gather, you can now get in an instant. With your live data and stats summary, you can get immediate access to your data. But if you purely want a summary, items such as a dashboard carousel will allow the operators and the people on the shop floor to be able to view their data as a summary, view the CP and CPK as well as various run charts. If you operate from a top-down view, you can also look at various plants. So I can look at, for example, our Dallas plant. I can click apply on there, it will then load all the information from another site, give me a series of and-on lights on the screen demonstrating the cells which are currently active. From those and-on lights I can view particular violations such as CP, CPK or any sort of spec limit violation, as well as any QC calc files associated with a particular area, once again making the objective of data analysis extremely easy. Finally, Snapshot allows the viewer of the data to have a nice and easy view of what's been generated. So from that same part file we looked at the data and the stats summary of, I can now view how many characteristics from the file, the amount of records that have been measured, in the last 10 days how many measurements have been taken, last 4 weeks and 3 months, the same principle. From the last 25 and 50 I can view the quality of the data. If I've ever got any questions about that, I can click on the data, view it straight away, and the QC Mobile will automatically take me to the page where the data is stored, allowing extremely easy and very functional data analysis. QC Mobile provides senior management team with a very easy way of accessing all of the data that has been gathered within their manufacturing facility.